Well, the purpose of today is to give students at school an idea of what they can do with the subjects they're studying. Many people choose the sciences and maths and enjoy them, but there's a lot more subjects that require those that they can consider doing when they go to university.
Students are coming up to me and saying that they've studied maths and chemistry at A-level and they haven't really had any idea, any direction. They really like the subjects, they didn't actually have a clue what to do with them subjects. Today has allowed them to make an informed decision based on their A-level choices and their interests, and to actually get an insight into what engineering is, what science means at university, because it's very different from school or college.
I originally was a bit confused about what different branches of engineering were, so I wasn't really sure the difference between civil and mechanical and aeronautic and stuff, and now that's been cleared up well, and I've got a firm idea of what the differences are and what I'd like to pursue.
Today's been useful because it's really helped me broaden my understanding of what exactly civil engineering entails and all of the different options offered at Sheffield and the differences between them. And it's helped me narrow it down to a course which I would really like to apply to at Sheffield.
I hadn't really thought about taking maths at university yet, and it's definitely inspired me more to think about, to contemplate that option.
Companies like GSK have a really important role to play in engaging with young people and just infusing them and exciting them about the world of engineering, industry and science. And today provides us an opportunity to do that, but it also provides a great opportunity for the young people to speak to us about some of their aspirations and speak with real people who've been through the decision-making process that they're at the moment, and hopefully inspire them about what they can achieve.
So the important thing about coming on a day like today is that you get to see all of the subjects in the same place. You can talk to people, students and staff, the sort of people you'll be working with and who'll be teaching you if you take these different courses, and find out from them what it is that's most exciting about their subject. It's a fantastic opportunity and one not to be missed.